In this video, I will show you how to create a Tidio account completely for free. So to do this, first you can just click on the link down in the description, and from there go and click on Get Started Free right here. Now once you click on that, you will see the following. So create a free account, no credit card required. So if you want to get this as well, click on the link in the description and then click on Get Started for free. Then here enter your email address, password and your website. Then click I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy if you do, and then click on Get Started for free. After doing that, it's going to set your account up. So first I will ask a few questions. So first, what is your name? Then which department do you work in? Then which tools or channels do you currently use to connect with your customers? So for example, Zendesk, Zoho Desk, Talk2, or any of these other ones, but I'll say mostly email, and then click next. Then what is your primary business model? So I provide services, e-commerce or something else. I will say e-commerce. Then what is your company's industry? I will say fashion, and then how many customer conversations does your company handle per month? Now, if you don't know, you want to click I don't know, but for example, I'll say between 1,000 and 4,999. Then how many visitors does your website attract each month? I will say between 50 and 99,000. And what platform powers your website? Is it one of these or something else? For example, I will go with Webflow. Then how many customer support agents do you have in your current setup? I will go with 2 to 5 and click next. Then my main goal for using Tidio is to offer live support, generate leads, increase sales, automate my support system with an AI chatbot, or configuring a ticketing system. For me, it's offering live support, so I'll click on that one. Then how would you like to interact with your customers? I'll say website via live chat. And then would you be interested in getting a live product demo? So I recommend doing this so you can see all the features, but for this example, just click no and then click let's go. And then you can see your 7-day full feature trial starts now. And now you can just click let's go and then start using Tidio. So now you can just install Tidio Chat, take a tour, connect your mailbox, add your domain, etc. So that's how you can create a Tidio account. So again, first just go and click on the link down in the description to get a free account and a 7-day free trial without needing to enter your credit card details, and then just follow all the steps that I showed you in this video. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.